Morning guys, today we've got here Redmi A3 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So once you want to enter a code to your Redmi, just open your phone dialer, go to keypad, and we can enter codes right here. Let me start with the shortest code that you can use, and it is *#06#. Very important one, which shows device info. So as you can see, email and serial number are right in front of you. Click on OK. And another code that you can use here is *##, 225, ###. So here we've got the calendar info. As you can see all upcoming events stored in any calendar that you have connected your device with. Let me go back. And another code that I want to share with you today is *##, 426, #*#. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, where you can see events and status. If you want to explore it a bit more, just click on more icon and then select advanced view. Well, that is all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.